Hello everyone, Nicky Hungerford, Universal Lending. I wanted to talk with you today about the CHFA loan program that I have available. That's the Colorado Housing Finance Authority, and that's the program where CHFA will contribute 3% of the buyer's required 3.5% down payment. But something that is always it's just always miscommunicated, and I wanted to make sure that I got this out and very clear today, and that is it's not just $1,000. That is what the program in fact requires, is just the $1,000 down payment, but please keep in mind that the buyer is also going to be responsible for their closing costs, their prepaids. They are going to be responsible for their inspection as well as their appraisal. So while the program only requires $1,000 down payment, if you don't have seller paid closing costs negotiated into the contract, then the buyer is going to be responsible for those funds as well. And I've just seen some people that have really had their hearts set on being able to do this program with only having $1,000 in the bank, and that's just not quite how it's going to go. The buyer cannot get any funds back at closing, and best case scenario is that we're going to be able to zero them out if we can get the closing costs negotiated into the contract. It's always a great idea to reach out to me first when you're doing a CHFA transaction, and let's find out exactly what the closing costs are so that we can really nail those numbers down. But please keep in mind that the borrower is going to have their $1,000, the inspection, the appraisal, and their closing costs and prepaids. CHFA is a wonderful program to help our first-time home buyers. They give them the down payment assistance in the form of a second mortgage, and it's fixed at the same rate as the first mortgage for 30 years. So the payment is really nothing. It's really nothing. It's a very low payment, and it's just a great program. We can mirror it with the 203K. So if you have a home that needs some improvements done to it, that's the rehab loan, and you can mirror CHFA with that, as well as the Denver MCC, which is a program that allows for some tax benefits. So if you have any questions about those, please contact me before you write your contract so that we can get the appropriate numbers negotiated in there to help the buyer to the fullest. My phone number is 303-587-0564, or you're always welcome to send me an email at nhungerford@ulc.com. Thanks so much for spending just a minute with me. I truly appreciate it. Have a wonderful weekend. Bye-bye.